Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to create a responsive landing page or product page using CSS Flexbox. A breakdown of this video tutorial, you will see how to create a Flexbox, how to use Flexbox properties such as justify content to position element within the web page, how to create or make a web page responsive using the flex wrap property. You will also learn how to create a CSS card or product card. For full benefit, stick around till the end. I'm going to create the HTML structure of the products page using a div container. The outer is the parent container and the inner is the child or the card. To create the CSS card, I am going to embed image as well as product description, price, and a call for action or button. Adding my first product image, setting the width to 250 pixels. I'm going to add product description here. Now I have created the first product image. The next thing I want to do is apply some CSS style to the product card using an internal CSS style. The first thing I want to do is apply a shadow effect. Setting the width of the card to 350 pixels, putting some padding effect and margin. I also want to center elements within the card using text align. Next, I want to style the button. Setting the width to 60% and height. I want the font size of the call for action to be larger and visible. I want to apply some effect on hover on the product card, background color Now let's run and see how the card looks like. Fantastic. So this is how the product card looks like. Next, I'm going to duplicate and add as many products into the landing page. So copy this one and then duplicate. Now this is how our web page looks like, or the landing page. 4 products, all looking fantastic, but is it responsive? It is not. It's not responsive because as you expand this, the view should switch between vertical and horizontal. So the next thing I want to show you is how you can make this one responsive using Flexbox property. Using the parent div, I'm going to apply the display to be horizontal, and then using the flex wrap property of CSS Flexbox, I'm going to make it responsive. This will make the elements go to the next row when the current row is full, giving the web page a responsive property. Now I want to center the elements relative to the web page, so using justify content. There are different properties for justify content. This will position the element on the page relative to the page. Now let us run and see. The elements are centered relative to the web page. Now is it responsive? Yes, it has become responsive. As you can see, we are able to make the web page as you make it smaller, it goes into column or vertical view, and then when you expand, it goes to horizontal view. To conclude, you have learned how to create a CSS Flexbox and how to use the 2 CSS Flexbox properties, flex wrap, justify content, to position a CSS element on the web page, as well as to make a web page responsive. You have learned how to create a CSS card. If you found this video tutorial helpful, click on subscribe, like and share. Leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.